friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Okay, so today we learn some linking words, mainly cause and effect. If you want to know how to join and link two sentences using adequate linking words of cause and effect, join me on Easy English channel. Okay, so let's get started. Cause and effect. What is the relationship? Cause and effect are interrelated. We cannot talk about cause without talking about effect, and effect without cause, of course. The cause creates the effect, and effect is the result, right? So let's start with cause links. I will try to divide them into A and B. In A you have because, since, as, and for. If you have these links, they should be followed by cause sentence. So when I say cause sentence, means subject plus verb. So let's study them in an example. Amina got high marks. Okay? She worked very hard. So as you see here, you have two sentences, sentence number 1 and sentence number 2. Before we link them, we have to determine the cause sentence and the effect sentence. So what is the cause sentence in your opinion? Good. She worked very hard is the cause sentence, and of course the effect sentence is Amina got high marks. So let's link them together with the easiest one, which is because. Okay, let's place it at the middle. So Amina got high marks. I have to delete the full stop and write because. Okay, so Amina got high marks because she worked very hard, or using since she works very hard, as she works very hard, for she worked very hard. So we can place these links at the middle as we can start with them. For example, because Amina worked very hard. So here I have to put comma. It's obligatory when you start with the link. Then I write the effect sentence. She got high marks. So this is concerning because, since, as, for. They should be followed by cause sentence. So let's shift to B now. Okay, we have other cause links. So B, you have thanks to, owing to, because of, and due to. So if you have these links, you have to work a little bit the cause sentence. So you have three possibilities. They are either followed by verb ing if you have the same subject, or noun. We can derive it from the verb or the adjective in the cause sentence. Or if you want to keep the cause sentence as it is, use the fact that. The fact that plus cause sentence, right? So we are going to work them in an example. Bear in mind that thanks to and owing to are used with positive causes. Because of and due to are used with negative causes. Okay, so let's study examples. So let's work with the same example of Amina. So Amina got high marks. Okay, she worked very hard. So here, as you see, we have a positive cause. So we can use thanks to. Okay, so let's work it with thanks to. So thanks to or owing to. We have three possibilities. We'll start with the easiest. Okay, the easiest one is what? The fact that, of course. Thanks to the fact that Amina worked very hard, comma, she got high marks. Okay, so the fact that plus cause sentence. We have another possibility, which is verb ing. Where is the verb in the cause sentence? It's worked here, it's in the simple past. I have to provide the infinitive, work. Then I add ing. So thanks to working very hard, comma, and then you write the effect sentence. And then we have a third possibility, which is noun. So here we have the noun. You have hard work. Amina's hard work. So thanks to her hard work, comma, then you write the effect sentence. Okay? Clear? Good. So let's move on to the because of and due to, used with the negative causes. So I'm going to write an example with the negative cause. So you have, for example, Nabil had a terrible accident. Okay? He drove fast. Right? So here I have a negative cause. He drove very fast. So I'm going to use because of. Because of, if I want to keep the cause sentence, I can use the fact that. So because of the fact that Nabil drove fast. Okay, comma, because I start with the link. He had a terrible accident. Right? Or I can use the second possibility, which is verb ing, because I have the same subject. What is the verb in the cause sentence? Is drove. So here it's in the past. I have to provide the infinitive form. Drive, driven. So because of driving fast, comma, and then you write the effect sentence. Or you can have the noun here. Driving, we can use it as a noun, but we have to start with the adjective first. Because of Nabil's fast driving. Because of his fast driving, comma, and then he had a terrible accident. Right? So this is concerning cause links. Now, let's move to effect links. Okay? Second, effect links. So for effect links, we have a lot. Okay? The easiest one is so. So is most used in spoken English. So you have so, you have consequently. Consequently, you have as a consequence. This is N, as a consequence. As a result. As a result, you have thus, you have hence, and you have therefore. Therefore. Okay? So let's study them in an example. It was raining heavily. It was raining heavily, for example, yesterday. I didn't go out. So the first thing we have to do is, where is the cause and where is the effect? So where is the cause? Of course, it was raining heavily. It's the cause sentence, and the effect sentence is I didn't go out. Okay, so to give value to the effect sentence or to highlight the effect sentence, I have to start with the cause sentence first, full stop, then the effect link, comma, then the effect sentence. Right? So we are going to link, for example, with the hence or therefore. It was raining heavily yesterday, for example. So this is, we start with the cause sentence. Then I use therefore, which is the effect link. Therefore, comma. Then the effect sentence, which is I didn't go out. Right? So it was raining heavily, therefore I didn't go out, or hence I didn't go out. Consequently, I didn't go out, and so on and so forth. Right? So I hope you enjoyed this lesson and you get those cause and effect links. You are able now to link two sentences using adequate effect and cause links. Thank you for watching.